Here's how you make lactose-free beer cheese. And stick around to the end of this video to see how this can be repurposed into mac and cheese. It's important for me to specify that this is not dairy-free, it's only lactose-free. The key to this beer cheese comes from my home state, Vermont. In most sharp cheddars, the lactose in the cheese is actually naturally broken down through the aging process. This results in naturally lactose-free cheese. For this recipe, we're using 1 pound of Cabot sharp cheddar. Add 4 tablespoons of butter to a pan and melt it. Butter has essentially no lactose in it, but if you're worried about this, you can always use vegan butter. Then we're going to add 6 tablespoons of flour. Stir until the butter and the flour are combined into a paste. Then slowly whisk in 2 cups of lactated whole milk. Turn your heat to low and let this simmer for a few minutes to thicken. Then it's time to stir in the cheese. Doing this in batches helps you to get that extra creamy texture. Then add half a teaspoon of salt and smoked paprika, then 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Then add about 1 cup of beer and stir to combine. And there you have it, lactose-free beer cheese. I'd recommend dipping the pretzels that I made in my last video in this cheese, or you can even use it to make some mac and cheese. All you have to do is add this cheese to elbow macaroni and you have mac and cheese.